Liquid Lift is a revolutionary non-surgical facelift alternative that's performed at Bair Medical Spa right here in Albuquerque. And joining us with the details are Kristie Bair and Dr. Dean Bair. Hi, guys.
Good morning.
I love when you're here. You bring such a sophistication to our set. It's true. I love it. And I want to talk about this because I haven't heard of this until I was reading my scripts about today. What makes the Liquid Lift different from any other non-surgical facelifts?
Well, first of all, it's non-surgical.
Yes.
That's huge.
Huge.
So no threads, no cutting, no stitching.
That's a big deal.
It's a procedure you can have literally in about an hour and 15 minutes and
it lifts you up.
Back.
Oh my God. Okay, so you got to explain this procedure to me because I hear it and I think, do you actually pour liquid into a person's face?
Of course not.
I just want to make sure, clear that.
That would be really easy.
Really
though.
literal, right?
It's called that because it uses liquids.
Okay.
Because we're using Botox or Botox-like medications. There's now 3 of those in the market.
Okay.
And also fillers. Dermal fillers, and at Bair Medical Spa we use 6 different types of fillers depending on your skin, your condition, what we're trying to create. It's really this. I'm so excited about this because this really, it's bringing those techniques that we've talked about in previous segments here, bringing them together, allowing me to be the artist and perform my magic, and it's just fantastic. I love doing it.
It's his favorite thing.
I can tell. I can tell. I see your passion for it, and I like that you said that there are 6 different types because everybody is different. Everybody's skin, everybody's needs are different, and this shows that this is not a cookie cutter procedure. This is customized for what's right for you personally. You know?
And area of your face. That's we're the only spa right now in New Mexico that has all 6 dermal fillers.
Oh my gosh.
For example, I have radius in my cheeks.
You do?
I have Juvederm, in these lines. I have Restylane. My lip, Bellatero, the brand new one that just came out in April, and we're the only one that has. I have these tiny little lines. So
see, and looking at you, you really dispel any myth of an unnatural look because you look natural, you look real, you look like yourself, just the best version of yourself.
Not tired.
Yeah, not tired, and not, but you don't look like fake. You know what I mean? And, and I think that's a big thing that people get worried about, and you don't. And I think that's really important. So, result-wise, what are some of the things people can expect specifically from the Liquid Lift?
You're going to look more refreshed.
Okay.
So we're replacing lost volume, so your face is going to look more full like it did when you were younger.
Nice.
I'm using the Botox and those sorts of medications to free your face from the depressing muscles that pull everything down. So it allows it to lift up naturally.
Anti-gravity.
Yes.
You can see it right here in this picture. What a difference. I mean, like you said, the rejuvenation, the youth that you see on the right side is immense. Same thing here. Look at the difference in her eyes, like you just said, about tired.
Exactly.
No, that does not look like a tired person on the right. That's beautiful.
Exactly. There's this woman I just spoke to on the phone a couple days ago, and she said, and that's exactly what she said. She said, I don't look tired anymore. She said, I look refreshed.
What a great feeling. So let me ask you this. Is it a good idea for a patient to get their Botox and their filler treatment at the same time, or how would you recommend that be done?
That's what we do. That's the whole concept is doing Botox, Dysport, Xeomin, which are medications that relax those muscles, and the fillers together. It works synergistically to allow those muscles to lift and then reestablish the volume, fill in the lines with the fillers, and it works just wonderfully together.
I love your excitement about this. This is great. And we talk about Botox and fillers. I mean, we hear that they're available all over the place, but are they the same products anywhere you go, or are they all different products?
They're slightly different.
Okay.
They are all the same neuromodulator, so they're all based on the same neuromodulator, but they are formulated slightly different.
Okay.
And the difference is how we combine them, how we use them together at Bair Medical Spa. We've really brought it to an art form.
Yeah, I mean, you talk about it like an artist, like you are creating something beautiful, and you obviously are. And so if we want optimal results, how many treatments do we need to get?
It's usually 2. So we do most of it at the first visit.
Okay.
Bring you back a couple, 3 weeks just to make sure everything is perfect. If not, then we have a little polishing done.
Nice, so you don't have to overdo it, and that's a good thing,
Yeah.
because you never want to overdo it the first time you come back, and then you
Right,
go where you
no,
need to go from
exactly.
there. And how long do the results actually last?
Well, the dermal fillers last 12 to 14 months.
Whoa.
So
That's
Juvederm,
good.
Restylane, yeah, Radius. The neuromodulators, Botox, Xeomin, Dysport, they last 4 to 6.
I like that. That's great.
So,
yeah.
That's what people want to hear, right? They want those results to last. And I want to remind all our viewers how they can contact you over at Bair Medical Spa.
They can call 881-1532 or find us in the same parking lot as Trader Joe's up on Paseo del Norte,
Yes.
or at bairmedicalspa.com.
Perfect. And I also want to ask you this. Do you advise all new patients who come in for a consultation, you know, even if they say, oh, I already know what I want, do you feel like it's very important for you to be able to advise them what you think they should have?
We always
Yeah.
schedule a
Okay.
consultation for that exact reason.
Okay.
We get calls, you know, my best friend Susan had such and so treatment, so I want it, and they come in and that's not the appropriate treatment for
So
them.
come on in for that free consultation. It
Right.
certainly is worth it. And you both are fabulous. Thank you so much
Thank
for being here,
you.
as always.
Thank
Love when
you.
you're here. And we're not done yet. Coming up next on New Mexico Style, we're making mac and cheese that won't give you a muffin top. Wow, that sounds pretty good.